Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, my friends. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, it's Metallica hour, baby. Waiting at recess. What's up, King? What's up, bro? Taking my hand. Live trading link. What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Early start. Yep, we've been getting on about 15 minutes early. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. What's up, Yosef Patel? Max Trading, Jeff, C, Cameron, Elusive, Marcella, Dex, Rowal Trades, Oog, Bijui. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? How we all doing? What's up? Good morning. I'm ready. I am ready to hopefully have a big day. That's the goal. Need a big winner. I'm going to do my absolute best to find one. We're going to do what we can. I will use everything in my power to find us a banger. Great, ready for this morning session and tonight's training. Oh, yeah, tonight is the night, baby. Free live training. Tonight's the night. Tonight is the night, guys. What's up, Redeemed Daily Walk? Love me a daily walk. Good morning. How many MNQ do you recommend to trade on an average trade? It honestly depends on your experience and your goals and your account size and or your drawdown. There's a lot of factors that go into that. It's not a simple cut and dry question. Not a simple cut and dry question. We're right at pre-market low, huh? Just lost 600 of my eval off this move down because I didn't see something from my strategy earlier. Well, I'm sorry that happened, but as long as you plan the loss or plan the potential loss beforehand, then it's all that matters. 4, 268. All right, guys, we got a few moments until we will start going over our levels. One, 4, 3. What's good, everybody? I've been having some crazy workouts. Crazy workouts. I'm telling you guys right now. If you haven't been on your grind, now's the time to start. Now is the time to start and get on the grind. Good morning, Angelina. Good morning, CHO. Beginner here trying to start paper trading on trade view, but don't understand it. Yeah, it can be a little confusing at first, but I'll tell you right now that over time, if you stick with it, it gets a lot easier to understand, not to keep money trading. Trading's hard, but I always like to make that clear. It can get quote unquote easier, but it will never be easy to make and keep money. Not enough. Need more. To set webinar, you thought the webinar was at 7 a.m.? I mean, I'd have the energy to do it. I could run it for y'all right now, but nah, we'll have it at 7 p.m. tonight. We'll have it at 7 p.m. tonight. Jdun hopped on gear, bro. If I hopped on gear, you'd know. Trust. Good morning from Colorado. I was sent by Brandon. Let's go. Pay done, gonna pay today. Let's get this day started. You're dang right we are. You are dang right we are, baby. I trade 5 micros. I trim at 30 points, and my stop loss to break even with 2 of those run. That sounds good. All right, let's get these links posted up, get everyone in the live streams, and we'll be good to go. What's up, Garrett? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go. We're on bright and early. You guys all have a beautiful opportunity today to completely change the trajectory of your trading. And guess what else? Tonight is the night for free live training, everybody. I better see each and every one of you guys there. I want to see a packed house tonight. Packed house for the free live training. I'm breaking it all down. The 2-bar setup, the VPA strategy, DOD, everything. Have I entered? No, I've not entered any trades. Nope. I personally don't trade until typically at least like 9:50 Eastern time. So we still got about an hour before I'll probably even think about trading. Not always, but almost always 15 to 20 minutes after New York Open. Discipline over dopamine. That's right. As far as our news and events goes today, no data today. We had some data this morning with building permits, housing, something with fuel and import price index, but nope. And then tomorrow, we have FOMC tomorrow. We also have market is closed Friday for Juneteenth. So we have a short week in the market together. No red folder news today. Gina and I got to go get more masks. On Friday, I'm going to go more than likely for a big hike. It's a very good chance I'm going to go on a big hike on Friday because the market's closed. If you guys had plans tonight, now you don't. Your only plan, unless your plan is the free live training. It's got to be it. Oh, whoops, my bad. Here's a Glock. Bro found you on TikTok. Let's go. Welcome in. What's up, Grizzly Clout? Thinking about it for sure. That's like 99% what's gonna happen. What do you got planned this weekend? Anything? Yeah, it just never ends, huh? Are you? Bro's going to buy a Lambo with all those SpaceX profits. You know, I actually had a chance to get into SpaceX pre-IPO when they were raising. I just forgot about it or just didn't do it. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't. I have a friend here that's like, that's what he does is private equity, and if you're an accredited investor, you can get into stuff and investments like that. I mean, they can't sell for like 6 months. They have their walk up, but what kind of car are you buying, Grizz? Well, something new. Yup, always something new. Man, that trade hit yesterday when you got off. We ended up going like, yeah. I said, go long for the 2-bar. I said, 2-bar. Do you not trust me? Yep. Today is the free live training, everybody. Need each and every one of you guys all signed up. No excuses. At a minimum, if you want the recording, get signed up so you can get the recording afterwards. I got my collagen and my AG1, got my greens. I love my greens. I can see Grizz getting a Corvette too. Don't. Oh boy. Gene's on his way with the coffee. Yep. You got your Folgers? Always has the Folgers. All right, bet. Dum, da, dum, dum, da, da, dum, da, 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 do. So 3 days grace. Oh, yeah. Appreciate you, Jdun. Appreciate you. Let's go. Let's make some money today. Once market break structure, I'm going to go long. All right. Well, I mean, we're kind of having a downtrend so far. So if we get back above like VWAP, maybe even pre-market high, I'd want to see us. I don't want to see that for longs. Love your energy. I appreciate you, bro. Let's get this energy moving today. I think we can find ourselves a nice trade. I have faith. We are about 20 minutes from New York Open, everybody. So we're going to stay patient, trade smart, trade safe. And once the market opens, we'll start looking for some. What's good, Team Bull? How about that SpaceX yesterday? That was bananas. Look at that. Elon Musk literally made like he at its peak, Elon Musk had made more yesterday off his equity in SpaceX than Warren Buffett made in his entire life. Tell me that's not absolutely insane. Tell me that's not absolutely the most wildest thing you've ever heard in your life. Crazy. We're closer to Bezos than Bezos is to Musk and net worth. How bananas is that? Tell me that's not just insane. It's pretty insane seeing those old pictures of SpaceX too. After the rocket blew up. How market open looks, we'll see. I mean, right now it looks a little bearish, but we'll see. I would not put it past this market to find a higher low and then just keep moving up too. It's that type of market, so you got to be prepared for that. You got to be ready for that at all times. We also have the new Fed chair's first meeting tomorrow. His first Federal Reserve meeting, so that should be interesting. He cuts 100 points. Oh, well, so my screen share is not up on Zoom, but it's about to be. It's about to be. Where's the sign up for tonight? There's a few places to get it. Get it inside Discord, on YouTube, on my IG, in the broadcast channel. There's a lot of different places for it. Telling you right now, you will thank yourself tomorrow if you show up tonight. You will thank yourself tomorrow. Future you will say thank you so much for putting down the video games, putting down the phone, and coming to learn something. About to pass my evaluation with your help. Thank you, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. Let's go. Welcome in. I think that we can find ourselves a very nice trade today if all goes to plan. There is also the chance, however, of us chopping into FOMC tomorrow. So just always be aware of that. Always be aware of that. We go to our hourly chart here. We're near all-time highs. So we don't have a lot of data The 750 area has been pretty strong, so we'll see how we react in our lower time frames as we get to the 750. We fail that. As far as the hourly goes, we really don't have any bounces till like 620. So we could watch 620 area for a higher low too, if we're looking for longs. 620 area definitely could be in play. We also have this previous swing high here around 600. We can watch for along with this wick here. So I think we're going to have to first obviously break through. We got this pretty aggressive resistance turn support right here, as you guys can see. So we'll see if we can find some support in here. If we fail this, the 600 area is the next area I'm interested in for some longs. Dur is crossed the line. Devon, some Green Day, man. I used to love this as a kid. I used to love it. You still love Green Day? I've never seen Jdun actually take a trade. Well, then you must be brand new here. Welcome. Today must be your first day. Welcome in. Your life potentially just changed forever. Is it rude to ask how old you are now? I'm 37. Going on 38. I turned 38 in 2 months. $38 feeling great. $38 feeling great, everybody. I know I look good for my age, right? I thought so too. Yep. I got 18 years of trading experience. I've been trading since I was 20. Just turned 38. Yeah, getting out of bed is rough these days, man. Well, you don't think I'm 38, Don? All right, fine. I am 40, but 38 was a good year, so. No, I'm playing, guys. I'm actually 30. I just turned 30 2 months, or 2 months ago, a month ago. Jeez, I guess I'm getting old. My memory's starting to go. Forgot my birthday. Yeah, I turned 30 last month. I made too much money on my funded, and my consistency is still high. How do I get the consistency lower? Keep making money. 40 is the new 30. I agree with that. I can support that message. I can get down with that for sure. All right, guys, we have 10 minutes left until open. We have no news today. We had some news this morning, but no news today. We have FOMC tomorrow with our new Fed speakers' first meeting, so that could provide some more volatility. We don't know. It also could be a nothing burger. Just give. What the... So I don't have to lose money to be eligible for payout. Just have short payout days. You just need to make more money. So let's say your consistency, you make $1,000 in a day and your consistency is 20%. 20% is low. Then you got to make 5,000 to get to payout. If your consistency is 50% and you make 1,000 a day, then you got to get up to $2,000 to pay out. So it all depends on what your consistency percentage is, and then with that, as well, any other rules that may be intact with the prop firm. I made 6K on CPI. I need 8K more. That's why I would never recommend trading CPI for fundeds. Only on evals. Only on evals. On unfunded is just tough. Or don't use props that have consistency unfunded. Tapatio sold out to private equity. Oh, no. Which prop? I have partnerships with Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, Alpha Futures, FFF, and Vanquish. I appreciate you guys supporting, though the ultimate goal for you guys should be a live account. Yeah, you guys better be ready for tonight, baby. Come on. We got our free live training tonight. Let's go. 12 hours from now, we are going to go absolutely ham on learning the 2-bar setup, VPA, DOD, and everything you need to know to be more consistent in your trading. So if you struggle with small wins, big losses, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. You guys should tap in. It's a no-brainer. You guys should get signed up. And if you aren't signed up, but you want the recording after, maybe you're busy, maybe you work, whatever it is, you going to dinner, something, you can sign up. I told my whole family to sign up. D-Fran Fitness, that's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. That is money. That is money bags right there. What are you hyper focusing on for the meeting tonight? I'm hyper focusing on making sure you guys come out DOD traders ready to learn, level up, and win. What am I hyper focusing on in my life? Mostly growth every day, staying healthy, keeping the same diet, having good workouts every day, keeping my health intact, making sure I keep learning. I think that's what I'd say when it comes to where my hyper focus is in my daily life. I just focus on improving. I don't focus on being perfect. Let's go. Gene's almost here too. Come on. All right, guys, market is open. This is your reminder, everybody, to trade smart, trade safe, and to choose DOD today. Discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, and self-sabotaging dopamine. Every day, you are tempted to make bad decisions, boredom-based decisions, dopamine-based decisions, and to break your rules every single day. It is your job to be a disciplined trader and to make good decisions today. Just one day at a time. Just like they tell addicts. A lot of you guys are addicted to self-sabotaging yourself in your trading. You're addicted to your bad trading habits, and today is day one of recovery for some of you guys. Today is day one where we stop breaking our rules. What I learned if I sign up for your trade room for the monthly fee, you just get. So the nice thing about being a part of Team Bowl is there's no lag. We have Jared Tendler every 2 weeks. We got a lot of good value inside Team Bowl. Lots of value for the cost of a cup of coffee a day. Yeah, let's go see what these SpaceX options are doing. Let's see what we got in our SpaceX options chain. Oh boy, this is going to be funny. Oh my gosh. At the money for Friday's expiration, for Thursday's expiration, excuse me, $2,000 a pop. That is insane. $2,000 a contract. That is insane for a weekly. That is bananas, guys. At a minimum. This song slaps. I love Metallica, man. I swear, ever since we started putting on Metallica during our trading, we've just been cooking. What up, Grizzly Glock? I hope so. So what's this new update you have coming for Grizzology? Some good stuff? I always tell people, not just because we're buds, I always tell people that Grizzology's really helped my trading. It's having all my levels plotted, having it look nice, having point of control in there. Yup. Oh, Gene's here. What? Oh my gosh. You did bring your Mexican clothes. Gene said he brought his Mexican clothes. It's a Sherwin-Williams shirt. Not really. Just we have FOMC tomorrow too. That Fed speaker's first meeting. So I'm also keeping on the back burner that it's a chance that we chop and we don't see anything good. That SpaceX is literally cooking. 208 is insane. He sold it. $14. Yeah, you made a little change off it. All right, everybody. Let's find ourselves a winner today. Do I always trade NQ? For the most part. For the most part, I got my coffee, so that means one thing and one thing only. It means pay done's activated. That's what it means. Pay done is here. And I won't get off till the pay is done for all you guys. Till the pay is done. What kind of coffee does Gene drink? Gene don't really drink a lot of coffee. He drinks espresso. Is that fair to say, Gene? Yeah. Speaking of which, want to come side quick, Gene? Let me use the restroom. I have to get racehorse. I've been drinking water.
Yep, I'm ready for them to come back. What's up, guys? Oh, man. No, it's not nasty Starbucks. You got some decent coffee. I don't like coffee from this place, but yeah, I just make my own. Out of my own mocha pot every morning. It's just a Broncos hoodie with a Broncos hat. I'm ready for them to come back. Asia was okay. We lost 20 points on NQ, but we ended up coming back and hitting for like 10 points on gold. I wonder what the market ended up doing. I haven't looked at it. Let's see.
What's up, dog? What's up? You taking any trades last night?
Yeah, I caught one with that one loser. 10 points on gold.
Oh, you got cooked?
No. That's 10 points on gold trade, Jeff.
As a reminder, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. I got to get this like thing up. You guys like the live enough? You guys hit that thumbs up in the live. I give you guys free accounts. Give you guys cash and free accounts, just like that. Live trading. All right, there we go. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that thumbs up button if you're on the YouTube. If you guys get to 500 thumbs up, that is the first giveaway marker. And as always, if you're on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here, tapping that screen over and over. You guys get to 100K likes. I got something for y'all too. And as a reminder too, I'm live on the the Tube. Jdun trades as well for full screen share. Every single day. You guys should all be subscribed. If you are not already, there's a ton of good value on there, a ton of different resources to help you out. What's good? What's good? What's good? We got 4 more minutes till the 15-minute range is in, everybody. So I'm going to wait a few minutes for that. And once we get that in, we can start talking about some potential directions we're going to move. We can start talking about some scenarios. Pre-market low is right here. 784 on NASDAQ. We got FOMC tomorrow as well, everybody. Oh my gosh, SpaceX is at 212. Let's see how those options are moving. The at the money options are calls. That's crazy. We're moving up on SpaceX, but those at the money calls are going down because of IV. The volatility just crushed them. Yep, guys, please remember too, we are close to all-time highs. What have I been telling you guys for years? That you must know as we approach all-time highs or when we're trading at all-time highs. You got to be a bit more careful. We're going to spend a lot of time in you and I's lives at all-time highs trading because the market is plumbed to go up. Does that mean you can't trade? No. In fact, it's something you have to get used to. Just when we're longing in all-time highs, there's two things actually you got to remember. For one, price oftentimes moves slower. It grinds up slower. And two, don't sit there and try to short tops over and over again. If you see a clear sign of reversal, then you can short a top. But don't just short a top because you think it can't go up any higher. I promise you. And unfortunately, if you haven't experienced this, you'll probably have to learn it the hard way. The market can go higher. It can go lower. When you think, oh, it can't go any lower, I promise you it can. When you think it can't go any higher, I promise you it can. So as long as you know that and you're aware of that, that alone could save you a good amount of money. Maybe not make you, but save you. Save you a good amount of guala. Yeah, SpaceX's trading is the ultimate meme for sure. It's crazy. I'm surprised Tesla isn't acting as a sympathy. We lost Gene. He's in there eating muffins. Damn, so I posted this tweet yesterday about my car, about the GT2 RS, the Porsche, and I had some people's feathers ruffled. That's how the phrase goes. Ruffled some feathers. I was like, it's true, because people are like, oh, cars are a depreciating asset. I'm like, well, I mean, if you buy a brand new, Honda for say, that's not going to go up in value. No shade on Hondas. I love Hondas. But like, you buy the right cars, there's some actually very appreciating and good assets that are cars. Some old school muscle cars. What's it called? Like the Porsches. Well, like that car alone, I bought that for $510. It's already trading in the 600s. I mean, I wouldn't sell it. I think it'll be $1 million car one day. Yeah, I got crushed in my Revuelto. There's no denying that. I got destroyed. I will never buy a hybrid car ever again. Ever. Never. And I genuinely mean that. I'm picking up a Grand National this weekend, courtesy of Prop Firms. That's awesome, bro. My husband's would love this channel / chat. Yes, let's go. Bring in the hubby to trade. Do you consider VIX for NQ entries? I think the VIX is important, but honestly, I looked at the VIX more when I was trading options. Because when the VIX is high, your option premiums are higher too. All right, guys. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get today. Yeah, volume's not great so far. We'll see how this candle works out. Do we get a traditional orb set up? Do we get a traditional orb set up? This is a great group, by the way. Founded about a week ago. Simple and to the point. Appreciate you, Rich. Happy to have you here, bro. Welcome to the fam. Simple. Like to have fun. 1 to 2 good trades a day. Hopefully we can just catch one winner today. We had started off with a loss yesterday. It was a good trade. It just, market was on some chop and BS for a little bit. Market was on some chop and BS for just a little bit. Mr. Gene?
The DOD code.
Huh. Were you feasting on some muffins?
Dude. Just insane. I would take the whole thing.
Bro was feasting. Feasting on tortilla. maybe we get some volume here. We'll see. We got about 20 more seconds on this. I don't think we're going to get higher volume. We can still... Again, the only time, if we see a setup like this where you move above the 15-minute high, if I'm even going to think about taking a key level break with a strong candle structure, it has to be a very strong candle. That's interesting. We closed right at the 15-minute high. That's interesting. As a reminder, guys, I want to see each and every one of you guys at the free live training tonight. If you haven't registered, this is one of your final chances. One of your final chances to register for the free live training. And if you don't think you can make it live, if you're busy, whatever, make sure you at least get registered so you get the recording. Today at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm putting all the marbles on the line. All of them. Came from TikTok, helped me pass an eval yesterday, and felt like I learned 10 times more than when learning from most. Appreciate you articulating things well. Appreciate it, bro. That means a lot, Tyler. Thank you. It means a lot, my man. What is my bias right now? I mean, I'd have to say upside at this very second, but Jdun, what is your daily bias? Well, I'll tell you, my daily bias is toward the upside. I like to see price move up, and I would like to catch a piece of the longs. Will you make it a YouTube video. Maybe. Love the way you take your L's and do not revenge trade, which is discipline, but then have major gains. Yup. I always tell people like I'm gonna lose trades sometimes. I don't. There's this belief that I don't know how it came into the trading space. If you join a good traders live stream, they just should win every day, every second, forever. It's like, well, we win a lot, but unfortunately, not every single trade. Most trades, but not every trade. SpaceX is at 217, 218. Elon Musk has made more today than Warren Buffett made in his entire life. With SpaceX moving up? Oh, yeah. I forget what it is, but it's like I don't know. It's like 100. He's made like 100 billion so far with it at 220 today. Let's see. The most consistent reported figure is that Musk owns about 42% of SpaceX's equity. Recent reports report that Elon Musk holds about 6 billion shares of SpaceX. So if it goes up $20, then that means he's made 120 billion. That's literally not even real. So far today, if Mr. Musk owns his 6 billion shares of SpaceX, we are up $18 in the day. So he's cleared a cool 108 bill today. Just something light. Something casual. You know, just a light check. 6 billion. That's what it's saying. 6.1 billion about shares. Something light. Man, I should have gotten in SpaceX pre-IPO when I had the chance. I don't honestly, I have no excuse to why I didn't. I was saying earlier on the live, if you were here, that I have a buddy that all he does is private equity, and because I'm an accredited investor, you can get into cool stuff like that. I just didn't because I have no excuse why. What do you guys think? Should I hit him up about Anthropic, about Claude or Anthropic, the company that owns Claude? I think that's a good pre-IPO buy. What do you think? If you had the chance to get into Anthropic pre-IPO, so cheaper than IPO price, but you had to hold for 6 months, is it worth it? What is this volume? Terrible. Anthropic is way ahead of SpaceX. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. AI has like no revenue. Well, SpaceX is technically not a profitable company, but look at them. Brandon's a hater of SpaceX. Yeah, Brandon also gets lost with phone reception. confirmation candle above this. Forward cash. 15-minute high. Higher volume. Check, check, check. 15-minute high. And ideally, a staying patient, guys. Just waiting. What do I think of today's price action? I mean, the market's only been open for 30 minutes. Let's go. God is truly amazing. He woke us up to a new day filled with new experiences. Amen to that, my friend. It's easy to get caught up in the stresses of trading and the stresses of life, but we are very blessed to be here and have this opportunity. An opportunity a lot of people in the world don't have, and a lot of people in the past haven't had. But you and I, we have this opportunity, and we're not going to let it go to waste. Good morning, y'all. Love your videos. First time in the live. Welcome. I appreciate you guys making this a part of your daily routine. We got ES having some sell-off here as well. Almost at low a day. We'll have to see if ES is leading the way. This actually might give us a nice reverse orb, too. Here's the deal, guys. I might be open to trying this reverse orb here. We have an 890 high on this candle. I'm going to watch for 860 area, 850 to 860 for shorts. A reverse orb is potentially on watch if we move up to this like 850 area. For shorts, it's yeah, me too. Like VWAP is technically a valid entry too. It's just a little early at like 840. Not sure we get it. I do think we go down from here.
The way we rejected that Asia high kept me from getting in the order. I was considering longs for a minute, then I seen the confirmation, the possible confirmation candle with lower volume. And we'll grab that Asia high and kind of acting like it was gonna have some lower time frame support there.
Yeah, whenever we get that orb closed, but with lower volume, I'm always skeptical in it. Honestly, it stays true a lot of the time.
But the orb has to look perfect. You know, it's not one of those strategies you can just slack on and keep it from.
Yep. So we have this 5-minute reversal here. Aggressive push down with rising volume. That's why I'd like to see us come, find a lower high in here, and then move down. We also have ES leading the way to low a day. We got close to VWAP. We got to this 830. What are you watching? You watching for shorts too?
For shorts as well, yeah, but I'm always hesitant to take shorts when we have front and trouble.
Oh, there we go. My POC wasn't on. It's insane. Elon Musk's up a cool 120 build today. Huge.
Like $6,000 to $8,000.
Oh, come on.
Wow, 224. That's ripping.
Watch it. 225.
Pull it up.
It's insane. Still watching for a short entry up here, everybody. Unless we see something that throws that off with price. I just hope this wasn't the lower high and we move down now. Man. I thought that they were going to give us a bit more push up, and they didn't. It's messed up.
I'm gonna try that with you, man. It's like it's always going. It's going to control to the team, now we're bouncing.
And we're going to move up with rising volume into this reject, huh?
Yep, exactly what we're gonna do. Unfortunate.
That is unfortunate. I'm still watching it, but I don't like when we move up on rising volume. Potential higher low made. We'll see. I'm still going to watch this area in here. I'm still watching. Still watching for this, guys. We're not quite to where I wanted to add, even with the volume. Oh, some Green Day. Oh, man. It is respecting view up. We didn't necessarily go up on rising volume. It's like equal volume.
FOMC meeting tomorrow, right?
Yep. New speakers first meeting. Appreciate the Galaxy, bro.
I've seen some people saying that when they raise them.
Really?
Yeah. That's the talk. But the chances are it's going to stay the same. When they have priced in, we're priced into like the predictions when they're kicking.
Yep. Well, VWAP's being respected so far. I don't think I'm going to take that reject up there now. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun, code JDUN when you're trading with these prop firms, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Alpha Futures, and FFF, the Funded Futures family. I do my best to help you guys every day, and I appreciate your guys' support. As a reminder, the main goal for you guys all should be a live account eventually, but prop firms can be a great tool. So I appreciate you guys' support. Code Jdun gets you the best discount always and more DOD. Let's see here. No trades yet, guys. And we're in no rush. The market's not going anywhere. I put on some Green Day to manifest a Green Day. Green Day to manifest a Green Day. I'm going to watch how price reacts up in here. Oh, don't worry, Metallica's coming back. DOD till I die, that's right. Ooh. Oh, big stretch. Let's go. Big stretch. Jdun, I'm low-key profitable for the last 6 months. Should I go up to 10 accounts? And if so, I think you should size up slowly. I'm not sure what low-key profitable means, but I'm glad you're low-key profitable. Whatever that means. I'm watching this, guys. I hate that previous candle we had. Bounced right at point of control and decent volume. Wow. Fingers on the trigger still for shorts. I'm not in love with the setup, but I think it could be okay. So we'll see. We'll see how we react up here. Is going by. So the reason I'm hesitating right here is because we had this higher low candle put in with not necessarily rising volume, but equal volume. Another higher low, less volume, but strong candle up here above VWAP. So while, yes, we could reject in here, it's just not as high probability as I'd like to see it. We're not getting volume confirmation here, but it's also we're not getting short confirmation either. So this is where we stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe, everybody. Remember, we are day traders, not trade everyday traders, not take every trade traders. And this is not Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. I know you like Pokemon, but this is not Pokemon. This is day trading. Oh, gosh, guys, we got the bird beak coming in again. We got the bird beak strategy forming. The elongated bird beak. Yep. We also have a short week. So not only do we have FOMC, guys, but we also have a short week. There's no trading on Friday.
Two bad combinations.
Yep, exactly. No trading Friday and FOMC.
Kind of got me wanting to go on a hike on Friday.
Yeah, you got the Tennessee Hills. You should.
You like it hiking, man. I'm sure I would love it there as well. It'd probably be a little difficult with the elevation you got. Get that. The elevation is basically I feel completely different than I do from Tennessee.
It hits. Why didn't I enter shorts at 860? Because we had this almost rising equal volume, semi-aggressive buying candle here, higher low. So I'm just waiting. I think this could be a possible area. I think we could reject here, but is it the most high probability? No. I look at all my trading in probabilities. So if everything matches perfectly, I'll take it. And that's why my win rate stays so high. If we break system or if we lower our probabilities, there's still a chance I take it, but things just have to confirm. There's a certain set of criteria that has to come into play. Some good old Daughtry. SpaceX market cap officially passes Microsoft. How crazy is that? Maybe we get a reversal, higher volume. No, we're not going to have higher volume on this candle. It's very unlikely with 40 seconds left we get higher volume on this candle. Is it possible? Yes, but is it likely? No. Damn, look at that. Man. Look at that reject. The think indicator is undefeated. It's undefeated. The bird beak. The bird beak Jdun think indicator is undefeated. Let's see. I'll let you guys. I'd like to see higher. If we had higher volume here to the downside, I'd say we can look for a retest back up, but we're not going to get it again. FOMC tomorrow. It's going to be slow today. It could be. The only other potential setup I see, I would have rather seen volume confirm here, but it's like a VWAP retest at like 830s. And it's putting stops above like 860. But if we had higher volume, it'd be much more likely to come to play. It's all right. We still mapped it out nicely. The Jdun think indicator pays, baby. Damn, 100 points. Give us one high volume candle. We'll take it. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's see if we can get a high volume candle. Why is it always my previous students that are coming in? I made your boy Teat. My name's Tyler. I made him his first $3,000 trading, and he comes in and starts hating. And now watch, he won't say anything. Made him his first 3,000 trading, and they come in and start hating. It's sad, isn't it? It's all right, little bro. Nas Daddy still got you, forever and always. Nas Daddy's always got you. It's sad, huh? Call winners every day, and that's the thanks we get. Nas Daddy's always got you. We get a higher volume close here. I'll look for a retest back up for shorts. You seem very chill. Thank you. Just like to chill and make money. Help people make money. That's all we do. Unlike these other YouTube streams that blow people's accounts, this is seriously the best stream of all. All right, we're gonna get higher volume. We'll see if we can catch. We're gonna see if we can catch a lower high here. I would have rather caught this, but it's all right. There was some risks there. We got 1 more minute on this candle, guys. 1 minute exactly on this candle. Damn, SpaceX is back at 213. Went to 225. That is bananas. Best live trader right here. Appreciate you, bro. Jdun is the GOAT like Curry. I don't know whether to say thank you or be offended. I'm the fake GOAT. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All right. We got 2-1. I'm going to watch for the retest up to here for shorts, guys. 780 to 800. 780 to 800 for shorts. Yep. Now we got the volume confirmation I wanted to see. Oh, no. Don't do it early. Don't do it early. Come on. Give us some nice move back. We got stacked key levels, 50% retracement. We also have our 15-minute low. We might reject the orb. That's the only problem I see is we have orb. I didn't realize that. We might see a reverse orb entry from the downside back up. But I'll watch. I'm still going to watch this like 780 to 790 area for shorts, guys. I fear we could see a reverse orb down here, but we'll see. 780. Oh my gosh, guys, that sucks. Come on, don't give us a 10-point. That's lame. It's not very nice, NASDAQ. 770, wait, 780. Why can't you just go 10 more points? That was nasty. Oh, that sucks. Oh, I'm frustrated now. It's go time. It's go time. Full size initiated. If we can find a trade. If we can find a trade. Maybe we get higher volume here. Maybe we get a 2-bar. We'll see. We'll see. That's dirty right there. This, debatable. This is just dirty. I'm full size entering if we get the pullback. I want to see if this candle closes with higher volume. If we get the 2-bar here, I will take this 2-bar. It looks good. We're below the 15-minute low. Granted, we still have a minute. We still have 2 minutes on this candle, actually. So we have a lot of time left. If we get this pullback to 15-minute low, I'll look for the shorts here. Granted, we close down here. And look for a continuation down. Maybe a little 2-bar action. He said this. Come on. No. 10 points, bro. 10 points. 10 points. We got 30 more seconds on this 5-minute candle, guys. If we get the 2-bar, I will more than likely try it. 770. We're going to have about 30 to 40 points of risk on it, which is a little sketchy, but probably 40 points. 770 to 730. And if we get this wick up, it's invalidated. If we close with over 50% wick to the upside, even with a close right here, it's already risky. We got 10 more seconds. We could still try the orb blow. But whenever you close close to the 50% retracement, like see how we closed here? We're right by it. So is it technically valid to try up to this orb blow? Yes, but this signifies there's a chance this pushes back up. Not what you want to see in a 2-bar, guys. Not what you want to see. We can still watch this orb blow, I guess, but if we look at this candle, of the whole 98-point candle, 40 of it, nearly half is wick up. So I'll still watch for this orb blow, 750. We could try that with like 20 points of risk. I still will watch it. I'll watch for that 750 area. Not my favorite. I think I'd still rather see this area up here.
All right.
You what?
I'm thinking, Jim.
Let's hear it.
There's two options. Either we wait on pre-market low for entry, or we start at Asia low and add to pre-market low. I think pre-market low probably still be the area.
I'm watching this. I don't love this previous candle. Don't. Well, that 15-minute low is there too at 750. I hate this 5-minute candle here. Still could technically be valid. It's just sketchy with that with a reversal doji here. Potential reversal doji. Oh, it's just whipsawing me around today. Just having its way with me. Just having its way with me. I mean, I like the 2-bar. Sorry, go ahead. Yeah. I don't like when we have a reversal doji like that at key level. Just risky for me, man. Yeah, nope. We're putting metallic on. It's the only way. That's going to give us a winner. 100% guaranteed. I don't think we're going to get higher volume again either. Yep, it's coming on the rest of the stream. It's going down like the Dow Jones. Dun, 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 dun. We're still catching a banger today. I know. DOD till I'm 6 feet under. Yep. Yeah, it did some BS up here. Didn't do BS up here. This is what I thought was going to happen, but did some BS right here. I'm just saying, calling the market, I almost never miss. My bias is almost never wrong. Honestly, I don't remember the last day where I genuinely had a wrong bias. I honestly don't. Maybe you guys can remember. I don't, because it almost never happens. You'll never have me being like, oh, you know, we're going up, and then we're just steady going down. Usually what happens is I'll be like, I think we're going to go down, and we go down. I just don't get my entry. But intuition 10 years later is strong. I'm going to watch for shorts in this pop up. I don't care that we had a lower volume. I'll just use lower size. So I like the candle structure. Whenever I don't love what volume has to say, but I like the setup, you just have to lower size because your probability goes down. I'd rather see a 2-bar personally, but I still think that we can find a nice lower high. What is this down here? Previous day low. That's what that is. I can't believe that, man. It's like 200 points from that top entry. On the bright side, our ideas have been on point. The bird beak paid. The rejection up here paid. That'll be some good stuff to talk about in the webinar tonight. It is insane. SpaceX at 210 is the 5th largest company in the world. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so disappointed in myself not taking this up here. We're going to get higher volume. We might get a 2-bar. Maybe you guys get your beloved 2-bar that everyone asked me about 100 times. And then I'm going to do it, and then there's going to be 5 people that say, Jdun, can you explain the 2-bar again? No, I'm done explaining it. If you're not paying attention to the live and watching it in real time, I'm not explaining it. I'm done explaining it. At least on the live, when you can watch in real time. You just got to pay attention. We use attention spans here. Dude, I know. My thing indicator is just never wrong. Not explaining it. Okay, don't ask what 2-bar is. I'm not explaining it. It's not happening. Too many times a day. Not doing it. Sorry, not happening. You want to know what it is? Stay and watch. I'll show you it. Hopefully we can make some money on it. A 2-bar setup is where you go to 2 bars on a Thursday night and you go get a sparkling water from each. That's a 2-bar. What's better than 1 bar? 2 bars. I don't drink. This sparkling water alcohol. Oh no, it's going to do some BS. Watch, it's going to wake up and take away the beloved 2-bar. So no one's going to get their beloved 2-bar if we get this wake up. Oh. No one's going to get their 2-bar. No one's going to get their 2-bar. We got 30 more seconds on this candle. Actually, it is going to be valid. So we have this aggressive candle down. I'm going to watch for a move up to like 650 for shorts with stops above 680. This is technically a 2-bar, guys. Aggressive volume. Move back up. You'd want to see us find a lower high in here and then move down. Around 650 is where you'd want to see that. Yep, 650 area. Oh, don't you do it early. Don't you do it early. 650, literally went to 644. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm going to get so frustrated if it does it again. Do we act on that? No. But is it annoying? Yes. I want to see. No, that's only record. I'd rather lose 20 trades in a row than go film YouTube long form, bro. All right. All right. We're getting up there. All right. We're almost. I'm trying a piece of shorts up here, guys, for this 2-bar. Trying the 2-bar. I am trying it lighter. Against what I said, I'm trying it lighter size. I'm being smart. 650 area. Yep. If this fails, then I will watch for this fails, I'll watch for a move back up to the area we were watching before, a bigger retracement. Come on, low a day. Come on, low a day, baby. Low a day. You can tell we had the right idea at least. Even if it don't work out, we're getting that rejection. Up 20 points so far. I'd like to see us move to low a day. Oh no, don't buy this back. No. We went up like freaking almost 30 points. I want to see a low. No. No. We went up like 30 points. Now it's going to go and do some BS. Come on. Down. Downwards dog. Yoga time. Yoga time. No early trims for me. It's either stopping me out or we're getting a nice move. We had a nice, we moved down to like 620. So it's about 30 points, but not enough. We went 30 points, but not enough for me. Yep. I have my stops at this candle high. What's that song Drake says? I'm upset. This 2-bar gets stops out. I still won't have regret. Oh, I know. My stops are at 685, everybody. If we go to 685, I'll get stopped out. I can't believe that. I'm putting on the clown mask for myself today. It's not even for the haters. If I get stopped out. If we close this candle up here, there's a chance I'll close it out early. If we invalidate the 2-bar. Yep, here's my mask for the day. I put my mask on, Grizzly. I put my clown mask on. I am too. It's technically not valid anymore. But I'm gonna let it ride. So annoyed. Stupid NASDAQ. Choosing DOD, keeping my stops in, but damn, that's annoying. The 2-bar is technically not valid anymore, guys. We got the initial 30-point move. I wanted to see continuation, but this might be one of the times where it just doesn't. Yep, I'm out. Gosh damn it! I'm annoyed.
Oh man, what's up, guys? It's all right. I caught some of that first initial short, and then I tried some shorts on my other account, but I wouldn't get filled. I don't know why, so I missed out on. I was supposed to get in at like 750, so I missed out on that whole move down, 150 points. Irritating. I literally, I pressed sell, wouldn't go through.
Interesting. Was that on the funded or?
Yeah, it was on the funded.
All right, I'm better now.
Better?
I had to take a walk. All right, we're good now. What's going on? Jeez Louise, that pissed me off. What kind of BS is that? I swear if we come and rip this and go down now, then I'm really going to crash out. We're good now. We took a walk. We're fine. What a frustrating day. Just multiple good entries just to get freaking pooped on. I'm not done trading today. I'll tell you that right now. Nowhere near done trading. We're just getting started. If we can find another good trade. We're good now. We just had to walk away for a second. Regroup. Whenever I get stopped out on a trade I really like and I get grumpy, I walk away before I can do something stupid. We're back. We're back in black. We're back. We're finding another trade. I still think we can find a short entry. It's just a matter of I'd like to see us move up to this 50% retracement of the day. If we can go up here and find some resistance, we'll look for an entry. I just hope we don't reject right here from where the 2-bar was and go down. I mean, we had 30 points there, but I want to see a bigger move. I wanted to see the bigger move. So annoying. No launching the phone. I'd have to be far more frustrated. Well, that stop worked out nicely. Ain't no way they're going to go and reject this now. And nonetheless, going to reject it. Yeah, I swear if they push it down now, then I'll be a little frustrated again. We're good now. We're back to good now. A little annoyed for a second, but we're fine now. I will be annoyed, however, if we get this rejection here and push to low a day. That will be pretty annoying. I do like to have positive risk reward. Yes, that's why even when we're up 20 or 30 points, if I was risking 20 to make 30 or 40, that's solid. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way they're going to push it down now. What's the higher? 716. Yep, the point of control is up there now. If we see a setup we like, I'm going full size in the next one. I'm telling you guys that right now. We still got some wiggle room. I'd love to see us reject in here. I think we go low a day still, guys. It looks like everything on the chart says we want to test this low at 600. We did have some support there on the hourly, but everything on this chart in the lower time frame says we're going down. Everything. A highest volume point of the day. So we'll see if we can find a good entry. I would have rather seen up here. Well, on the bright side, you guys got me for a while today. Today's ending green. I'm telling you that right now. We catch one good trade, we're going green. If we can't find a good trade, then I guess I'll just be red. I still think we're going to low day. It's just too risky to enter right here. We're at our previous entry for that 2-bar. We got 2 more minutes on this 5-minute candle, guys. The only thing I'm watching for is shorts. I could not have less interest in longs right now. The only interest I'd have in longs is if we had some sort of 5-minute solid reversal and then move up into this 50% retracement and above. Besides that, no interest whatsoever in longs. Mr. Jdun. Come on. And we're going to have lower volume on this candle. Price action doesn't suck today. I just fumbled that execution up there. At least I don't think price action sucks today. Trying one more piece of shorts up here at 660, guys. One more piece of shorts up here, guys. 650 to 660. I'm trying one more small piece. I'm not going full size. I'm following my rules. Follow my rules. Everything looks like it wants to continue down below that 620. I'm trying one more piece up here. Come on. Oh, no, don't do it. We got the initial push. 657 with stops at 680. If I lose this, I'll likely be done for the day. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is the area, guys. Don't do it. If I lose 2 trades, I'm gonna be done before I do something stupid, guys. This is my last chance effort here. Come on. Come on, push it down. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to put my stops at break even, guys. We're at 640 here, up 20 points. My stops are at break even. Taking off a little bit at 635, guys. I want to see low day. My stops are at break even. Took some off on this move down. I'd like to see a move below, ideally 625. I'm not letting this go red. We'll still be red on the day, but got a little bit back on this. Out of this trade. Out of this trade, guys. Out of this trade. 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 We got to move from 660 down to 630. I wanted to see a bit lower, but it's not looking like we can get that lower high. We'll look for another entry. It's all right, guys. I thought we were gonna get that initial straight push down, but once we push down like the previous time, 30 points, and move back up, I'm not gonna play with that. If we can get a solid higher volume wick here, I'll look for another entry and then target low a day. I still think we can get low a day. I think it's a very real possibility. Until we build above the 700, I think we can get low a day. It looks like it wants to come. Everything in the lower time frames is saying we want low a day. Why would I look for longs? There's no, besides our hourly chart in the 600 level, there's nothing in the lower time frame saying longs. I mean, tell me what in here is saying, hey, we want to go higher. It's still possible. We could go to high a day from here. Not saying we can't, but as far as the 5 minute goes, nothing here with volume or price is saying, hey, reversal. Everything's saying we want to go lower. Everything in price is saying we want to go lower. If I was scalping, I'd be scalping shorts. I know you guys don't love the scalps, but I'd be looking for short scalps with managed risk. Everything here says down. Everything here says down. This is high here, 670. I like shorts here, guys. I like shorts here, and I really like shorts on pops up to the midpoint of this candle. We want to go low day here, guys. Everything's pointing to low a day. Everything here is pointing to low a day. I don't like to chase breakouts, but I do like shorts here. If you guys have that risk on, I like shorts down to low a day, and I like shorts if we pop up into like 650s. I think we're going to go low a day before we can get that. But if you guys have that risk tolerance, I like the push to low a day for shorts. I'd like to see 650 first. But I think we can see a nice continuation down. At least that second trade was a winner. At least that second trade was a winner. That was damn near the top too of this of this downtrend, not the top of the day. Come on. Let's see if we can get one more good one. I don't love that we went and touched 4 points from it, but well, if you don't have money to trade even after one loss, then we need to get your money up, my boy. Which we can do. We can definitely do that. We got to get it up though. I like the 650, 640 to 650 area. I don't love that we're bouncing off the 600 to a T. That's not ideal, but I still think the structure to the downside looks good. I mean, structure-wise here, like I was telling you, there's nothing to look for in longs until we build above this like 715. Until we build above this area, there's nothing to look for in longs. Unless we see like some massive reversal candle here and you keep stops below the lows. I like the shorts, guys. I do not like the longs. The only thing I like is the shorts. Yeah, 1 win, 1 loss. 1 win, 1 loss. And look, we're back at low a day. Who else calls the market better? Nobody. That's who. That's who calls the market better. Nobody. You can learn it all in tonight's free live training. If you want to make money trading and if you want to guaranteed 100% from Jdun, improve your discipline, tap into the free live training tonight. You only caught the loss? Well, I'm sorry. If you want to be profitable trading my system, you have to take every trade, guys. I always tell people that. People are like, "Oh, I only take your losers." And we have to take every trade. If you're gonna trade my system to a T, you got to take every trade. Otherwise, if you pick and choose, you will only catch the losers. I don't know why it works that way. It just seems to work that way for a lot of people that go and that's copy trading anybody. That's why I always say learning is your best bet. Your best bet is to become confident in yourself and confident in your ability to execute and to learn. Yeah, that's tough, guys. You can't really this does not count as a 2-bar. Why does this not count as a 2-bar? Look at the wick. It's over 50% of the candle. I would honestly say this even could count as a possible reversal. Aggressive wick up, aggressive volume, and also at the 600 whole cycle number. Close right above. Yep, too much wick. If we had a solid full body and green close, I honestly would have probably looked for like a long entry on this. I would have looked for right in here for a long entry if it would have had a bit more confirmation. Or say this was like pre-market low here when you sweep a level like that and you move up. That's what I like to see. I'm not taking this though. All right, everybody. Let's stay patient and find one more winner. Got a BS loser on a 2-bar. One winner on the short up there. I want to see how we react right here. I think there's a chance that we find this higher low right here and move up. That's why I'm skeptical of even taking shorts where I liked it before at 650. I'm skeptical of that. I got something exciting for those of you who've been following along with the Lucid accounts. 3 of the 5 are officially qualified for payout, everybody. My first ever attempt, I'm telling you, you want prop firm payouts, you'll learn the DoD system. It's guaranteed. It's automatic when you don't blow yourself up. When you can build discipline. My first ever attempt at Lucid. You can see it from the account numbers. It's account 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many other gurus can do that? How many other gurus can do that? Not many. I mean, they'll show you payouts, but they've also spent 10x on evals. You can see that 3, the other 2, I'm sorry, what, Grizzly? Nope. The other 2 accounts would be at payout too. You can see those 2 that have 1,200 left. Those other 2 would be there, but that dude full ported them on gold. So the 3 accounts are all up 9,000 apiece. And the other 2 are up 7,600 apiece. First ever attempt. You can see by the account numbers. Account 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First ever attempt on Lucid. First set of 5 accounts. So at this moment, I paid what? 500? Not even 500 for these accounts? And I'm going to get a $6,000 payout on these 3 and then 2,000 more or 4,000 more when these next 2 come. The DoD system makes it easier. Makes it easier. I like the pros. But don't worry, these are safe. these aren't logins. Don't worry. Yeah, super solid. Super solid. It's all about DoD. Yep. First 3 accounts are met consistency at 40%. And then the other 2 still have 7% more consistency to go. If you guys want to get funded with Lucid, you can use code Jdun. I like the pros. That's what I'm about to get the $6,000 payout on. So if you guys want to get funded with Lucid, you can use code Jdun for 50% off. And I recommend the 50K Pro accounts. Your first 2 accounts are 50% off with Lucid if you haven't used them before. After that, it's 40%. Dude, this has been a lot of trading days. I don't rush these accounts, but that's why I can have such positive ROI. You know, the only reason I started trading prop firms was to show you guys I could do it profitably. Like, if you guys are going to use code Jdun, I like proving to you guys that the system works. A lot of these gurus will show you a payout, maybe. A lot of them won't. But how much did they spend to get there? They probably spent a lot to get there. Which, again, if you're profitable, there's no problem with spending a lot on evals, just so you know. I don't like straight to fundeds, and the reason for that is because the consistency is so low. Well, I do copy trade on, and those aren't evals. Those are fundeds that are going to get paid. I'm still going to be on for like another hour, guys. Yeah, 20% is too low. Oh, that first trade annoyed me, but it's all right. We walked away. That's why I had to step away for a second. Whenever I feel that urge to tilt or something creeping up, I got to get up and just walk, even for 2 minutes. It's the same thing they do if you're on a professional trading desk and you get the urge to tilt or something stupid. They'll just tell you to go home for the day, but I'm pretty good at this point now. I can just walk away for a few minutes, come back. I don't trade my fund and futures. I trade Lucid. You guys see this higher low here? This is why I didn't want to short this candle. A lot of times when you see this wick up in this higher volume, you'll see the 50% retracement hit and then move. Did pass. These are some. Yep, if you guys want to get fun with Lucid, you can use code Jdun. I recommend the 50K Pro account. 50K Pro account was what I personally recommend. What happened with the guy who was using your account and bought gold? Someone messaged me and said it was them and apologized and offered me money, but I didn't want their money. I mean, I brought those accounts back up. The thing is, when you have a system that is as accurate and profitable as the DoD system, I don't care. I had $600 left to draw down on those accounts, and I brought them back up to $7,000. That's why I keep telling y'all, you want to make money guaranteed? Get your discipline down. Notice how I don't say it's strategy. It's if you want to make money guaranteed, you get your discipline down. That's where DoD comes in. Did it take me a while to build those up? For sure. But we went from down 1,600 where it wasn't my fault, almost no drawdown left, up 7,000 on the accounts. For the most part on these, I only use 3 to 5 micros, guys. If we get a solid candle here, guys, this could be another reversal too. Lower high, potential higher volume reversal. We'll watch this candle here. For the most part, I only trade 3 to 5 micros. Yep, per funded. But that's why I say profitable with prop firms. On my live account, my max will be like 3 to 5 minis. I plan on going up to 10 minis soon, though. I was speaking on that a little bit yesterday. I plan on sizing up soon. And you guys remember from the options days, I used to put on massive positions. How I look at it, though, is like I'm cool with making You know, if I'm on my live and I can make 5 to 10K a week, I'm chilling. I don't look at trading as like I have to make millions of dollars a year doing it. I look at it as how can I have a low stress and solid side income? Yeah, my Lucids are locked up. I don't. Once you secure payout, you got to walk them up. We're gonna get higher volume on this candle, I think. Why do you recommend the pro accounts? Because they're 1-day pass. Now they do have consistency on funded. If you're fine a 2-day pass, then the flexes are great. I do like shorts on this pop up here. This is the last area I like for shorts, guys. It's like the 640. I'm gonna start a position of shorts, guys. One more piece when we get to 630. I'm starting a piece of shorts up here, guys. One more try. 630 to 640. This will be my last trade of the day. Tried the shorts up here, guys. I tried the shorts. This will be my last trade of the day. One more try. With this candle here, if we go above this like 670, then it's no longer valid. But I did try the shorts up here. If we go above this candle high, then I will be done for the day. I locked up my Lucids. So at least got that back. This is the last area I see is a 630 to 640 area right here. There's about 40 points of risk. If we go above this this reversal high here, then it's no longer valid. We have this 50% retracement here. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Last setup for me of the day. If this doesn't work, I'm calling it a day. I'll probably hang out for a little bit, but if this don't work, I'm done. I'm firing myself from my live account. I'll be down. Let's see, what will I be down? Still less than $1,000, but we're thinking about it. We're trying. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm taking a piece off here at 20 points. I'm being safe. I'm taking a piece off here at 20 points. I want to see this move down below 610 for these shorts, guys. I trimmed off a piece at 20 points. I want to see more. I'd like to see us go to low a day on this. Come on. I took off half my position down here, guys. Half my position is off. I'm going to put the rest of my stops at 644. 644. I'd like to see us continue down. Almost 30 points so far, guys. Let's see us push below 610. Come on, baby. 30 points here. Come on. Taking off a little more down here, guys. I'd like to see us continue down the low a day. Stops are at break even. This should not be a red trade for anybody and not a red day for anybody if you took every trade that I took. 40 points here. 40 points. 40 points, everybody. 40 points. Come on. Stops at break even. Let's see if we can push down farther. Come on. Push us down farther. Rest of the stops at break even. 2 winners after that first loser. That one 40 points. I'd like to see lower. I'd like to see us go low a day, but my remaining stops are at 644. Yep. All right, let's go. Come on. 40 plus points here. 40 plus points, everybody. 40 plus. Let's go to low a day, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You can't be serious. Are we in? I said it 100 times. I could not have been more clear. Almost 50 points here, guys. We're back to green on the day. Not just green. We're healthy green. We're going to have a nice green day. Lucid payout walked in 2 for 3. I told you guys pay down was back. Yeah, haters, come back. Come back, haters. Where'd they go? Where'd the haters go? 2 winners. If you took every trade just how I did, there's no reason to be red. If you took the first trade, obviously you're red. It was a loser. I mean, duh. But the next few trades. Let's go. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right. After all these haters bombarded the live streams this morning, we need some positive energy flowing. What do you mean? Go back and watch the recording. We had 2 winners. There was 2 winners. My last 2 trades have been winners. The first one was damn near a 30-point scalp, and this one went at its high 70 points. 65 points. Excuse me. Come on. The haters give the hate when we lose, but nope. Again, go watch the recording, baby. 2 winners, 1 loser. On those Lucids, 3 to 5 micros. It's not easier to make money when you have more money, guys. That is a myth. That is 100% a myth. If you find me someone that has $1 million and they don't know how to trade, they're not going to be able to make money easier. Long-term portfolio, yes. Let's go low a day, baby. I'm still in this trade. Come on. Where are the haters at now? Where they at, baby? Where they at? Let's go. Yo. Let's go. And they thought we were done. I'm going to move my stops down to 590, everybody. 590 above this candle or above this 1 minute candle that we have at low day is high. 590, everybody. All right, I got to know if you guys took this trade, we are up on this. What are we up? We're coming up on 100 points, guys. We're getting close. We're getting close, everybody, to 100 points. If you guys took this with me, you made money. Let me see it in the chat. How much you make on this trade? Show the haters what's good. How much you guys make on this trade? 2 winners in a row. 1 loser on the 2 bar, 2 winners in a row. Let's go. How much money did you guys make on this trade? 900, 139, 200, 450, 340, 1200, 300, 800, 371, 650, 270. 2 wins in a row. 1 small loss. 2 wins, baby. Let's go. Red to green. 2K. 340, 400. I told you guys I wouldn't let you down. 1200, 470, 190. Excited for payout. Got 444. Let's go. Back to break even. That's awesome, bro. Let's go. That's awesome. I'm sorry about the first losing trade, but we got it back. We got it back, baby. Hey, Gene. I'm printing. I'm a better bad boy. I'm printing, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be great later. You think that I was going to let us end a red day on free live training day? On free live training day? You thought I was going to let us be red? Really? Do we not know each other that well? Let's go. All right. Woo! Where's my yup? You thought this was a game? Woo! The haters are done for. They're done. Yeah! Let's go! Oh boy. Oh, we're locked in the payout. Oh boy, we had a big day on everything. $1,300 on the Apexes, $2,300 on the live, and we got the payout locked in on Lucid, baby. We'll take it. We'll take it. We needed that. We needed that. We'll take that, baby. Look at that. All right, here's the deal, guys. I want to give away a lot of accounts. Post your gains and tag me. I'll give away some accounts. And also, tag me on X. If you guys have an X account, tag me on X as well. I will repost you, and I'm giving away accounts. I got 10 Vanquish accounts worth $500 a piece. Funded options trading to give away. Right here, right now, before we get off stream. So if you have a Twitter account, tag me at Jdun Trades. Post a picture of your gains. If you tag me in the post your gains section, we're giving away some accounts there too. This is insane. That is insane. We got one poster of the gains. Come on, everybody. On your Twitter right now. Tag me on your Twitter. Post a picture of your gains and tag me at Jdun Trades. Come on. Big ol' winner. This was just textbook. Just as textbook as it gets. That's why I kept telling you guys, no buys. Yeah, 3 to 5 micros usually. My biggest day was on one of the massive short days. And I think I was trading that day. I was trading like 15 micros or something. But for the most part, that's why it took me so long to get up there. Let's go. I'm giving away some accounts for Vanquish to everyone who tags me on X at Jdun Trades. I'm sorry for that first loser on the 2-bar. That was some BS. That made me so mad. But that's the key. I like to show you guys, like, it's all right to be upset. Just don't do anything stupid. Just don't do anything stupid. All right, guys. Tag me in the post your gains. Tag me on X. Gene, we come say hi for a second. I'm gonna do something real quick.
Jeez, it's hot in here. He has a heater on. Damn. How'd you guys do? Yup. Nice. Yeah, I was already done. I do have my own lives. I stream on TikTok, live trading with dinero. Last night we had one loser to start of 20 points on NQ, and then we caught 10 points on gold. That's not sad. It's okay. It's how it is sometimes. Today, pretty proud of myself. I just walked away. I was up. I just took the semi small win. I was up. I made like 350 on one alpha funded, and then made like 1,000 on my other funded. So just walked away. I've been trading lighter, less accounts. Mm-hmm. How did everybody do today? And you need to see that when you're done.
What?
Your phone's not putting it.
Oh. Blew my phone out on Jdun's first trade. Well, good. Well, you passed a few more on the second and third, right? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Someone says, "Oh, well, you lost your trade." Well, you gotta take all the trade. If you're gonna take a system, you gotta take all the trades. That's how it goes. You can't just cherry pick. On this last trade, I pulled it at 10 points. Literally, no. I mean, you can copy my trades, but you got to take all of them if you're going to take them. If you're going to copy one of my trades, you got to take all of them. As a reminder, guys, the free live training is tonight. Tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time, guys. I need all of you to save your seat, and if you can't attend live, at a minimum, sign up so you can get the recording. I'd love to see you guys there live. I'm teaching everything, the exact strategy we just used today, too. You know, I would rather you not copy trade me. I always say that. I want you to be confident in yourself. My goal as your mentor is for you not to need me anymore. If you don't need me anymore, I've done my job. Yep, you got to sign up to get the recording. It's in my link in my bio in TikTok. It's also on my YouTube, and it's in the Team Bowl announcements tab. If you're going to cherry pick, then find a cherry tree to pick. Otherwise, hold your peace. Yep. Amen to that. You can't just cherry pick. People are like, "Oh, I took your loser." It's like, well, you got to take all of them. And I'm not telling you to sit here and copy trade me. I'm just saying if that's what you're going to do. Man, I was so frustrated earlier, guys. I hate losing with you guys, man. That 2-bar. Not only the 2-bar works and it doesn't work, but like also just I was so frustrated I missed that first entry we talked about too. But then walked away, came back, won the next two. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. That was so awesome, guys. Made up for the first one for sure. Let's see. Oh. And Q. I appreciate all you guys rocking with me using code Jdun. Each and every one of you guys. Now we're moving. How many of you guys are signed up for the free live training tonight? Who has plans to join me at 7 p.m. Eastern Time? Who's all coming for tonight's free live training? Your grandma's coming? All right. I better see each and every one of you guys there. No excuses, everybody. I just posted the link a few times. If you guys want, oh my gosh, look at this trade. If you guys want the recording, you got to sign up. Can you show a payout so I can believe? Well, I'll show you when I walked in today on my first ever try. Took me a while, but each of these accounts are up 9,000. These three are each eligible for 2,000, and then these two are not quite there because some idiot logged into my account and full ported gold, if you remember that. But yeah, here you go. There's 6,000 right here locked in. My goal is to go live with Lucid. I'm taking these accounts very slow. Oh gosh, I've had these accounts for a minute. Let's see if I can find exactly how long. I've been trading them for a while though. They're my first ever accounts. These are the only accounts I've ever bought from Lucid. And for the record, I bought these accounts myself. I did not get them free as an affiliate. My first trading day on these was May 1st. May 1st. So a month and a half on these to make in total. Obviously, you can't withdraw everything, but like 40, what is it, 40,000? 40,000 on these, month and a half. Mind you, it's, again, they're funded. You can't take all of it. But still, first ever. You can look at the account numbers, guys. It tells you how many fundeds you've had. There's a reason why a lot of gurus block these out. These are my first ever accounts I've bought with them. Ever. One set of accounts just to prove to you guys I could get a payout with Lucid. I got them as a partner firm, went and got paid out with them first try. So Lucid lets me use my own code, so I can use code Jdun. A lot of firms like Tradeify, I can't use my own code, and neither can I with Apex. But I use my own code for buying these, so I got 2 at 50% off. Yep, and then I got the other 3 for 40% off. Yeah, no, I can't. Tradeify don't let me use my own code, and neither does Apex. It'll say you can't use your own code. But yeah, it gives me. Yeah, I make money on myself buying my own accounts, and then I'm going to take money from them in a payout. How funny is that? Isn't that funny? I thought it was funny. Where'd the guy go earlier that said I didn't call my trades? Bring him back. Why do they always leave? Why do the haters always leave when I win? I don't get it, guys. Haters talk all this crap on the first loss. They just go away when I win. Where are they at? I'm back. Yeah, where are they at? Come on. I'm waiting for you. Jdun doesn't call his trade. Shut up. Yeah, where they at? Oh, crap. I gotta, guess what email I just got? I gotta renew my passport. I just realized that. I got my passport. Oh my gosh, look at this trade. I want to see something real quick. This trade was so awesome. You guys, okay. So let me make sure. You guys all understand why I called this trade out, right? Does everyone understand why I called this trade out? Or is there anyone who doesn't understand the reasoning behind that trade? I'm going to teach it tonight. If you don't understand why I took that trade, I'm going to break it down so simply that even a third grader couldn't mess it up tonight. For 100% free, it's going to cost you $0.00, everybody. And at the end of tonight's live, I'm gonna give you guys so much value tonight. And guess what? At the end of the live, there is no course to sell you. I appreciate you guys rocking with me every day. I appreciate you guys supporting me using code Jdun. I have my premium community. If you guys ever want to join that, I'll talk about that a little tonight. Besides that, where there's no lag, I'm gonna give you guys as much value as I can tonight. So make sure you guys are signed up. This technically could be a 2-bar here too. It's just we're really low. We're really low. Let's see here. 643 Sub Gene. I'm done the threading, please. I've been done with the threading and give me a Delabias. J Mog, that's the name. Don't wear it out. That's the name. Don't wear it out. I got to give away some accounts. Is this reversing? We could. We'll see. I guess we'll see. That's awesome, guys. How about all those freaking ties? Did we have all ties in soccer yesterday? I think we had all ties, if I'm not mistaken. I think every single game yesterday ended in a tie. No, Tyler, I'm out. I think every single game ended in a tie yesterday. That's insane, all of them. And today we have France and Senegal, Argentina and Algeria, Austria and Jordan, and Iraq and Norway. All right, let's make some guesses. I think France is definitely catching a dub. Argentina's catching a dub. I think we're going to see Austria beat Jordan, and I think we're going to see Norway beat Iraq. If I had to guess. I did. 2 wins, 1 loss. Excited about the training tonight, bro. Hey, I thank you, Buck. I'm excited to have you there, bro. As a reminder, guys, make sure you guys are all signed up for the free live training. Tonight's the night. I'm going to do the giveaways in 2 minutes, everybody. How do I get into this live training? The link is in my TikTok bio. If you click my profile picture and click it again, you'll see it on my page. You can also DM me on my personal IG at Jdun. My Jdun Trades DMs are broken. Something wrong with the algorithm. Or you can copy and paste this link. Yep, it's also on YouTube as well. I've been to 2 live trainings and learned something new every time. Yeah, just real quick, for anyone who hasn't been, if you have been to one of my live trainings and you would recommend it to a friend or family member, type yes in the chat. If you got value from it and enough value where you'd recommend it to someone in good faith, type yes in the chat. How many of you guys have been to one and you've gotten value to where you'd recommend it to a friend or family member? Yes, yes, yes. Been to about 3. I try to make every one, learn something new. My wife and I are attending. Always do. Yes, that's awesome. Well, that means a lot, guys. I couldn't say that if people came and they were like, this sucked. You know, I know your time is valuable. So time is arguably more valuable than money. And this is free and it's valuable. I'm going ham tonight. I'm going to make sure you walk in tomorrow a more confident trader. And Benji, you can expect a no, which means yes. Is there going to be a slideshow? Yep. Oh, mostly charts, though. Mostly charts tonight. Let's see here. Oh, all right. Let's give away some accounts. Let's go to the Post Your Gains tab and give away some accounts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means these are all good. Cool. Oh, you know, I'm doing the Vanquish accounts in the Post Your Gains section. First account is posted in the live trading chat. Let's see who's paying attention to the live trading chat. The next ones are going in the Post Your Gains. All right, let's see here. We just got one posted in the Post Your Gains chat. That is a $500 account, 50K with Vanquish, either basic or advanced. First winner is going to be X Dime. You changed my life at Jdun and at Dinero. Thank you for everything. Christ is King. I owe you so much. Dime, there's a 50K Vanquish account. Of your choosing. Sent in your DMs. Let's do another one. Uncle Crespo, DOD worked for me. Passed 2 evals today by staying patient and shooting only when A+ setups are in sight. Let's go. You just won yourself a 50K Vanquish funded options account. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. That is the code, yes. Yep, I'm dropping some codes in YouTube as well. Let's give away 2 accounts on the Post Your Gains. See if we can get some more see if I can get some more accounts. But all right. You guys better be ready in the YouTube because here they come. First account. We're dropping them like flies. We're dropping them like flies. First account. Second account. Vanquish funded options. You better have an account ready. What's up, Gene? Third account dropping. Bada bing, bada boom. Third account dropped with Vanquish. Shout out Funded Options Trading. These are $500 accounts. Fourth account about to be dropped. Vanquish Funded Options. Your Vanquish Funded Options account, guys. You have to have Vanquish Funded Options, 50Ks. And the final account right here, these are $500 an account. Fifth account dropped. I also got 2 accounts for the X as well. Let's see. First one is going to be AYC Allen Change. Congratulations, Mr. Allen. We're going to go ahead and send you a Vanquish code right now. There's the first one. You guys are all technically getting a giveaway with that free live training tonight. I want to see you kids trade your own money. I agree. I'm glad you think I'm a kid, too. Makes me feel young. Thank you. And then we're also going to give an account to Mr. Matt. Matt Felice. Huge W after yesterday. Made 1.6K on the giveaway account. And I got 1.2K on the Lucid. Let's go. Let's go. All right, if you guys want the Lucid account, I'm giving away $100 in cash to one person. All you got to do is post your Venmo. Post your Venmo. Post your Venmo, everybody. Post your Venmo, and also make sure you guys are signed up for the free live training. Post that Venmo. If you're in TikTok, it's happening in YouTube. I'll give you a second to go over Jdun Trades. I live trade there every single day on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I trade live every single day. All right. Picking from YouTube in 1 minute. Just a reminder, the most giveaways always go to the poster gains inside the Discord. The most value, there's no lag. You get Jared Tendler. Access to come trade live in person if you so choose. Lots of good value there. All right. Picking a winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got Josh Verkler. Josh Verkler? Congratulations, Josh Verkler. Honor system. Honor system now. Josh Verkler is the winner. Honor system, you spend this $100 on a Lucid 50K Pro account. Honor system. Congratulations, Josh. Well, and if you guys are coming tonight, I'll have a lot of giveaways for you guys tonight. Josh, who was paid. I better see each and every one of you guys at the free live training tonight. This is one of your last chances to register. I'm going over the whole strategy from today and the strategy I trade live for you guys every single morning. Go get registered right now. Take 2 seconds before you go about the rest of your day. There's a rule I go by in my life. I learned it from the book, The One Thing by Gary Keller. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, get it done immediately. Don't put it off. It's very easy to say, oh, I'll do this later, and then you never do it. It takes less than 2 minutes to register. It takes less than 30 seconds to register. Go get registered right now for the free live training tonight. All right, y'all, you can copy and paste this link. You can find it in my TikTok link in bio, on my YouTube, on my Instagram, everywhere. So, all right, guys, trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless y'all. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for being here. Peace.